morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, traders. How's everybody doing today? Looks like crypto's crashing. Looks like we're gonna make a new low and we're gonna buy another round of Bitcoin. Are we at the lows yet here? We're close. We are close. I have another small order loaded up, ready to go. How are you guys doing? Hope everybody's well. I'm not gonna wait until anything. As soon as we hit the lows here, I'm just gonna buy more. In the 57s, I'd like to buy. Just let me have a look at my account here. Make sure it's off the stream. Alright, we're still good. Yeah, we be DCAing, man. That's what we be doing. We be DCAing. Russell kind of looks a little dumpy. Same with the rest of these markets. Really, we've lost the 15. ES kind of looks like the best short opportunity here. So probably look at ES. What is that? Yeah, ES looks like the best short. Oof, this looks scary, dude. This down here looks scary. It's an 18-point stop, man. Jesus Christ. Bit much, you know. It's like a 10-point stop almost for ES. Over a 10-point stop. This is also a double top that they left here. Huh. They really left the double top. No, it's just on the 4 hour. They are just holding this 4 hour. Huh. That's done, so it would be this. Hard to get into a trade, man. Should have got here an hour ago. These markets look scary, man. These markets look a bit scary. We might be just out of the markets today. Honestly, we're a little bit far away from the trade. Look at areas to long it after it dumps, I guess. Or try to enter on a smaller time frame. It's losing the one here again. Looks like the dump is on. They did hold this area though. They might pump it here. We'll see. Bitcoin's almost taking the lows here. All right, market open in about 30 minutes. A little bit late getting here today. Just woke up from a nap. Fuck, I'd love to get short, man. Can we just get a little pump first? I'd like to short Russell, but Russell's quite the big pump before we could short it. So they're basically holding the hourly for now. We should see another swing high. I'd like to short it above this somewhere. Appreciate that follow. Thank you, Glenn. Appreciate you, man. Looks like new lows here on Bitcoin. Not yet. Just about. Really close. We're going to continue to DCA in for our long-term portfolio. Probably take another profit target on the short. About 30 minutes till market open. If you guys have any charts you want me to look at or anything, just let me know while I'm not too busy here. Should start marking up these charts a little bit, yeah. We got pretty close to this already. I don't know if they're gonna get this one or not, but a little too kind of too far to take this trade, you know. Didn't really get back up into the zone. Wouldn't mind shorting it there, but down here is too far for the stop. This is playing. Wouldn't mind this. This is playing, so it's the same level basically. Fucking basically same level, you know. Looking to short there. And Russell. Basically same level. This level I would short. Anything above there. Bitcoin, just much lower. We're not even going to put a mark on the chart. This is where they needed to get back above, and they didn't. for Bitcoin. So, you know, just that's pretty stiff rejection, not even getting to the level. So I'd expect them to not hold on to this and fucking go a little bit lower. Maybe. Looks like we're gonna see, I think, I can't remember, I have it on my other chart here. 57 I have on here. Appreciate that follow. This is just, I have this on here for, because it's a liquidity point. So there's liquidity at 57. But honestly, I don't know if that's going to hold, you know, maybe. This whole swing is tested, right, on Bitcoin. So really the next key zone is down here. What's the most money I've made? I don't know. Probably in Bitcoin. Just in trading. Like, you got to remember, I was in Bitcoin at, like, when it was at $500, right? So I made tons of money at that point. I bought the big retests with like every cent that I had when it was down here at $4,000. This right here, I bought that with like, I was like selling fucking everything in my house to try to get more money to put in. And then when we lost the weekly, here is where I started taking most of the profits. Good morning, Craftsman. You spent 500 and got 50,000? Congratulations, man. That's like a lottery ticket. I don't know if we're gonna get an opportunity to short this, man. I want to. Let's see what market open brings. Hopefully they pump it a bit. Oh, 20 minutes until the open. How's Tesla doing? 411. Wow, that pumped yesterday hard, yeah? Ah. Get this box out of here. Yeah, I think we're headed, man. This is starting to look fucking promising now. With a move like that, that's a huge move for a stock. 12% move, that's massive for a stock. I think we're headed. I think we're headed, boys and girls. I'll keep a bit for up here too. I honestly think we're headed here. But that could take a while. Here I'll probably sell half the position. In it from here. Do we make new lows? No. I'm not buying this yet. I've already bought this range. So, what are your guys' thoughts? This looks pretty dumpy around here, man. Not gonna lie. Looks a little dumpy to me. On basically everything. I didn't check gold or oil yet. Oils. Let's have a look. Oil doesn't look too bad. Oh. Just swipe up. Oil doesn't look too bad. Gaining pretty good out of there, out of that sweep. I think we're gonna see up here again 74 on oil. There's also this giant gap right here. I just keep an eye on that gap fill for sure. This is all basically tested. Even this one is kind of tested, but this isn't. So that will be the next stop on oil. Keep an eye on that. Yes, kind of dirty because it gained on the 4 hour and then wiped it. That's a dirty move. It's a big time frame dirty move. But I think it's headed up here and then probably this gap close. We'll see what happens there. Let's have a quick look at peek at gold. Gold made new lows, but they held it. Then they gained the smaller time frame. Hourly, just barely. I don't know, I still think lower on gold. Just barely gained it. They did gain it though on the hourly. Keep an eye for this. If gold does dump a bit. I hate the drawing tools on this software. Wow, man, how many times do I have to do it, I guess it doesn't want to let me have a line for this chart. Sorry. They made it hard to buy on the smaller time frame. Look at the 15-minute here for a sec. Yeah, this would be the area to hold. I don't know, man. Still trying to get a short in here on one of these markets. I don't know which one yet. I was hoping for some kind of a fucking pump first, but maybe not. I don't think they're gonna give it to you. This is all tested, man. So like this looks like it's headed down. I would imagine NQ'd go down to test this down here. I like this level on NQ. I don't know why. You know, maybe if I refresh it. Looks good, BDP. Don't mind that area on NQ. I like to short it until there. For ES, a little bit different because that area is tested already on ES. ES looks a little bit more scary. It doesn't really have support left. I guess just right here. That's kind of tested already. So I would guess just like a liquidity sweep of this. Yeah. I can't put anything on the chart. How frustrating is that? Just trying to mark up a chart, man. Piece of shit. Still longs today? I think longs, but they're staying shorts for now, right? So I think down first and then up. That level that I had marked on NQ. This area here on NQ. Maybe even just the liquidity sweep of this area on somewhere around here on ES. ES is a bit weird because this is tested already, right? I guess there's this here. It's not. Kind of the areas that I'm looking at. Russell just looks like it's going down to me. Let's look at the everything on Russell. Unless they gain. We're right at support, right? So it's a bit rough taking longs right into support or into resistance, you know? I wouldn't mind longing down here, you know, down here at this level. They are saving this 1 hour. I started trading Russell's 2 days ago. Yesterday, all I traded was Russell. The stops on ES and NQ were just, they were becoming way too big for me. You know what I mean? I just couldn't take it. I trade the micro Russell though, right? I don't trade the big boy one. But yeah, yesterday that's what I was trading, and the day before that's what I was trading. Stops are a lot more manageable. For me anyway. I'm a little loosey-goosey with the stops, you guys know. All right, market open in 9 minutes. There won't be any trading before market open. Just gonna have a quick smoke. Be right back. The plan right now is to short Russell on a retest. On a retest of this. Or up here is the 15-minute loss, so on a retest of that. Somewhere in that range. Gonna need some volatility though. I think today might be the day that Bitcoin fucking, we see a little bit of sell pressure come in. Maybe it's it might be cancel all orders time, honestly, too, unlike the traditional stock markets. the ES looks fucking, you know, it needs to hold right here, or it's like this is fucking going like not good. Look at it, maybe down here, you know, this is gone, this is tested, all liquidity gone, tested all the way up, this was tested here, there's just this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So for Russell, just looking for some kind of a pump, just a little pumpy. All right, be right back. Something happened. Something happened and I couldn't. Man, I missed the trade. Look at this, man. So bad. I missed the fucking short. God damn it, man. It's kind of a piss off. I'll still try to get in this.
Order filled.
There's a leak happening on the other villa. In the roof, right when I went to go for a smoke. Just got a small short, that's it. On Russell. Yeah, Russell looks like it's short for sure. I wish I got more, but just I only got the two. It fucking hit the exact area that I had outlined. I'm gonna take a couple more here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We'll just take a quick PT here.
Order filled.
4 left. Maybe one more PT. 3 left.
Order filled.
NQ don't give a shit, no. NQ don't care. Taking one more here.
Order filled.
All right. 2 contracts per account left. Take another one here.
Order filled.
Just runner left now. Stop will be in profit for the rest of that. I won't be doing a re-add. 132 bucks for the day so far. Buy stop in profit. Okay, we'll try to get a little bit more. That was the main target though on this Russell. The runner will just be like, I'll just run it down to like the lows, man, basically. NQ don't give a shit. NQ do not care, man. gonna be not too much more to do. Could reshort this, I guess. Just reshort this here. Add one more back
Order
in.
filled.
Yeah, if NQ's doing that, probably. All right, taking the ad off here. Maybe I'll just leave the runners. I feel like Russell's gonna drop, man. All right, taking one off here.
Order filled.
All right, just runner left. Again, 180 on the day per account. Probably should get a stop in profit for this too. This one might get stopped out. Look at that, man. Look at that call on Russell, man. Look at that, man. Yeah, I'm trading real money right now. Well, I have one real account and one eval attached together. So this is the 4 hour on Russell. I think I'm going to take the PT here. This is the 4 hour here at the 4 hour support.
Order
So
filled.
we'll take that there. 210 per account. Nancy would be proud. She would be proud of me for sure. Because I'm trading Russell and I traded it exact. I think I'm a Russell man, man. I can just say I think I'm a Russell man now. Yeah, Mike and Nancy both told me, they said you should just trade Russell, man. Long time ago. So this is 4 hour support for Russell, so we'll see if this holds. This area has been holding up for a long time. That's why I took profits there. That might be it for today. 210 per account, you know, the classic in and out. Finish the day in 9 minutes. What do you guys think, man? Do you guys think this area is going to hold on Russell? Maybe I'll take one more short, man. Try to get short again one more time.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
How did Bitcoin fare? Didn't break the lows yet. Still be looking to add to Bitcoin too, probably today if they break the lows.
Order filled.
These are the last two shorts on Russell. I'll probably just take a stop here if they keep pumping this. Not a huge deal. Decision time here for Russell. All right, just dump it, man. Just dump it for us. It's like they want to hold it, man. They're kind of holding above where they need to, you know? see. I'll give it a little bit longer. Yes. Yes. Do it. Couple
Order
PTs.
filled.
Oops.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Couple PTs. 283 on the day. Per account. Let's go. Yeah, I don't like this now. Dump it. New lows coming. I'll take one here.
Order filled.
I'm actually gonna take two here because the last one it was kind of a mistake. 320 on the day per account. Let's go, boys. Let's fucking go. I hit the sell market button when I meant to hit the buy market button, so I had like one that was way down here. 100% today. This is holding now, so let's see. Should we re-short again? Should it be another re-short? I think we'll just take our 320 and hit the road, Jack. It's looking like it's trying to hold this now. Should we just take another reshort? Too risky now. Boy. It's just too risky now, man. Maybe short over top of this though.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, this is the 15-minute retest right here. First test on it. Should dump a little bit. Nice BDP. Love to hear it. Gonna take a couple off here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just a couple of
Order
quickies.
filled.
2 runners left. Stopping a profit. I took too many off. I shouldn't have took that many off. One more off here.
Order filled.
Just the last 2 left. 384 on the day per account. Nice BDP. I've been doing good this week. Everyday winner. Last week I did well too. It's just that the one day I did fucking terrible. Can't be like that anymore, man. Enough. You know what I mean? Enough with these. I can't lose big, man. I can't, like, if I lose five, I should change my fucking thing to like $500. Like if I lose $500, I should be done for the day. The next target will not be until the lows here. I should really, this is one that you should like hold all day. There's still this. Yeah, there's still this. I would sell it at the lows. BDP. Let's go. Winning streak. All right, just runner left. Just gonna go for a quick smoke, guys. I'll be back. Sorry, I'm dealing also with the villa that's leaking here, so. Still in the trade. I wouldn't be surprised this gets stopped out though. Okay, boys. Just dump it, man. Let's have a $400 day. Nah, it doesn't look like it. Looks like they want to push it. Yeah. Cancel all trades. We're going to look at ES here for a short. They did give a signal on the 1 minute. Bit spooky though. What about NQ? NQ for a short? No. The yes one looks better, but it's not playing out. Just pushing it, eh? ES and then Q. Wow. What a move. How's Tesla? 412 at the weekly highs. Do you guys have any charts you want me to look at? We're at 384 for the day. We're probably going to be done for the day. I'm just looking at potential shorts now on ES, or ES is getting to the 4 hour here, so 4 hour bodies. This is kind of the area that you would short it, but they did test everything on the way up, so I don't know, man. They might just take it. Might be off to the races here, you know. Man, I was watching this other creator, and he mentioned Trade Sumo too. It's funny, man, how many people learned from that guy. It's another like just good profitable trader. He makes content, and he mentioned Trader Sumo. I was watching one of his shorts today. I was like, no way, Trader Sumo. Could there be one more short on Russell? I didn't really like it, man. They held the 1 hour. So I don't love it. This is the hourly failure to gain, though. I don't know, man. They did take the liquidity. I don't know. Just cruise around the different markets here and just see if there's anything else. Bitcoin held. Check YM. Haven't even looked at YM today. Oh, YM looks like a short. YM held the 1 hour too. Yeah, so you know, I just don't love these shorts now because they held the 1 hour, so they could easily just keep going, you know. It's just not the safest trade. Look at oil. Gold ripping. ES hasn't lost shit yet. Russell looks like they might take the highs here. We can look for shorts after that. Like to see them lose at least this 1 minute here. Might be no more trades today, man. 384 on the day. Not bad, man. 100%. 100% win rate. Cannot complain about that, you know? Cannot. No charts to look at, boys. How did you guys do? I hope you guys did well. There's liquidity on Russell. Let's see how high they take it. If they take the next liquidity spot, there should be a lot of liquidity up here. Kind of right here too. Hasn't been touched yet.
I think it has. Close.
Being touched there, I guess. I kind of tested it. I'm watching for shorts now on Russell. I won't take a short though without there needs to be a they need to lose something, right? Here's liquidity. A little bit higher. What's that? Potential short coming in here. A potential short. I've been shorting all day. It's been all shorts. If I get a 3 bar, I'll even short it. Not a 3 bar. I don't think that was a 3 bar, was it? No, this one's higher. Yeah. No 3 bar. No 3 bar, no short. No confirmation, no entry. We're waiting for a 3 bar or a break of this level. What's going on, Ken? How are you? You come again right at the end of the stream. We did pretty good today. Plus 384 per account times 2. Not bad. Yeah, it was pretty good. The price action was really good. We shorted the Russell here. We shorted the Russell here on the open. Right here. Shorted this. Took profits. And then re-shorted this and took profits. And now I'm looking for another short here. Short time? Yeah, it all happened within the first 10 minutes of the market. That's usually how most people around here trade, man. They're all like, there's only 3. It says there's 3 people here watching, but before there was 10. Everybody trades right at the first, the first 15 minutes of the market, and then it's over. No entry signal here, so no entry. This is the liquidity now. Not even yet. Almost. I think that was it. Close to it anyway. It's not. And you see here they didn't present any kind of 3-bar or any loss of the level. I'll enter on either of those when we're in like liquidity like this. This is liquidity now though, 100%. So let's see what happens. Now again, waiting for a 3-bar or a break of this level. This is kind of an area to short it. The swing is kind of tested before, right? So that's why I won't do it. The top of it though is not. Hope they give a 3-bar, man. 3-bar would be good. No entry yet, man. This might be it, man. There might be no more trades. Yeah, there's this now too. I should mark this out on this chart. There's this should get moved to this. So a retest of that will probably happen. This is probably the area. I'd like to short it to there, you know. Same with ES and NQ. Like, I was just looking for shorts, but can't do anything right now. We're just like blasting out and just keep going. It's all right. I made money today anyway, man. It's fine. Any day I make like $400, that's times 2 account, like $800. That's tons, man. No problem. I'm happy to make that every day. You know, it's not a big deal. Yeah, man. Even if you make $200 a day, that's still pretty good. You do that every day? Fuck, man, you're laughing. I remember when I used to work every day for 10 hours and I'd make $100. Now we're making that in 9 minutes. I was done today. 9 minutes. 9 minutes, 380. It's the reason why they do it like that is because the easy money is had right at the start of the market, and then, you know, after that it's like you're just spinning your wheels most of the time, you know. All the most of the volatility happens in the first hour, so why waste your time, you know what I mean? All right, we might get a trade here though. We might get a trade. I will take this trade if they short it, or if they dump it here. There's a nice swing to lose here. You know, this wouldn't be too bad of a short. We're in liquidity. This is the liquidity zone here. We're above it. You know what I mean? So, you know, it's quite a bit of ways from testing this move that made this low. On here, you can see it right from here to here. This move, so a little bit away from that. Half decent short opportunity if it plays. Even on a 3-bar, I'll take it. So it's either a 3-bar setup or losing this and retesting, or even just losing it. No, continuing to move higher. The next liquidity is up here. It's an hourly failure to lose. Move this up a bit. We're at an hourly failure to lose, failure to gain spot, so we'll see if they reject this. Waiting for confirmation. No entries until confirmation. The failure to lose spot is at 43, 40, yeah, right here, 44. So right here about. Half decent rejection off it. Didn't quite get there. Double top left here. Pretty decent little rejection here. All right. They're breaking it. Like to see a close.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
It's a small short. Kind of out of position.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, that's it. 3-bar break of this level. Retest. Come on, man. Let's dump it.
Order filled.
We're in liquidity. Nice. Good call, BDP. It's going to take a couple quick PTs here.
Order filled. Order filled.
6 left per account. We should dump a little bit more here. Take one more
Order
off.
filled.
Take another one off.
Order filled.
4 left per account. think I'm gonna get the stop in a profit too, because I don't want to give back shit today. Maybe not yet. This is very much a counter trend move now at this point for me, so I don't want to push it too far.
Order filled.
Taking 2 more off there. I'm going to leave the rest on for runners. So we have 4 left. I'm going to buy stop 4 here. Yeah, I'm going to leave 4 with the trailing stop, 2 per account. But I'm going to chase it down pretty good. Maybe I'll leave 2. I'll take 2 more here.
Order filled.
All right, 2 left. Just the runners. Stop and profit on it. We'll give it a little chance. This is the area where I was expecting it to bounce though, right? I'm expecting it to come back here and bounce here, so I don't want to leave too much on. I'm even gonna move my stop up a bit. Yeah, can't complain. That was like a $70 trade. Should have had more, but I took PTs a little bit too early, like always. That was like explained perfectly, man. You know what I mean? Someone should fucking I should clip that and make a video out of it, because that was like picture perfect on how to do this shit. Just do that. Anyone having trouble with this, just do that, man. Even my way wasn't the best because I took profits too early. I should have waited until it hit my level, or got at least went down to this liquidity point here. But yeah, that was picture perfect trading, man. Like the entry was perfect, right? A 3 bar that broke a swing too, so it gave you 2 confirmations on the entry, and then a perfect retest here. Now I entered in early. I was entering in here. I entered in some more here, so it was okay, my entry, but my exits weren't the best. Should have waited for this bar. Man, I'm so much better at trading now, man, than I used to be when I was younger. Now I like go back immediately and like see how did that trade do, and like what could I have done better, and what you know what I mean? I'll be right back. My handyman's here fixing a pipe problem. Moving the stop up.
Stop filled.